Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. An eagle doesn't resting in a sparrow's nest. Big dreams need the right mindset. Fun examples of aiming higher while respecting everyone. 1. Eagles fly with eagles. Reason, positive people inspire positive habits. 2. Aim high. Reason, big goals encourage big effort. 3. Rise above the crowd. Reason, stands out through your actions, not by showing off. 4. Dream bigger. Reason, great achievements often begin with bold ideas. 5. Choose your company wisely. Reason, the people around you influence your mindset. 6. Great minds think big. Reason, creative thinking opens new opportunities. 7. Go where you can grow. Reason, the right environment helps you improve. 8. Surround yourself with excellence. Reason, good habits are easier to build with encouraging people. 9. Don't settle for less. Respect. Keep learning and improving every day. 10. Reach for the stars. Reason, high goals give you something exciting to chase. 11. Fly higher. Reason, every step forward builds confidence. 12. Stay true to your purpose. Reason, every step forward builds confidence. 13. Keep your standard high. Reason, doing your best leads to lasting progress. 14. Success attracts success. Reason, consistent effort creates new opportunities. 15. Your environment shapes your future. Reason, positive surroundings encourage positive choices. 16. Walk with those who inspire you. Reason, motivation grows when it's shared. 17. Think beyond your limits. Reason, you can often do more you first believe. 18. Grow beyond your comfort zone. Reason, growth begins when your comfort ends. 19. Soar above the ordinary. Reason, keep learning, practicing, and improving. 20. Become the best version of yourself. Reason, the only person you need to compete with is yesterday's you. Be like an eagle, not because you're better than anyone else, but because you're always learning, growing, and reaching for new heights. Cheer on others on. Keep improving and enjoy your journey. One small step today can lead to a big flight tomorrow. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.